Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for watching. My name is Jennifer and I blog over at wheretonowjenny.com. It's a travel blog where I talk about our trips that we take together as a family and also packing tips and such, and that is what this video is about. I am actually packing for our trip to Italy and the Western Mediterranean. We are about to, actually in the morning, we are leaving for Rome, and on Sunday we board the MSC Divina for a trip around the Western Mediterranean. So I'm really excited. And as you can see behind me, I've already packed up our backpacks, and I just wanted to show you what we're taking, the backpacks we're using, and how I packed for 10 days in just a carry-on. So let's get started. We'll start with my husband's backpack since this is the smaller of the two. He is packed in the Osprey Farpoint 40. I purchased this bag from Amazon, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link below. So let's get started. It has these two compression straps, which after it's all packed, you can clip them and it cinches the bag in so it's not as nearly as bulky as it would be. It has a pocket here. It's kind of shallow, would be good for travel documents, your passport, your wallet, that sort of thing, but that is empty right now. And then it has also these two mesh pockets on the outside, which you can stick something in, but I don't have anything in there. And then it has this pocket right here, this front pocket. He's just got some flip-flops, and it has a laptop sleeve in here, and then a zippered mesh pocket for, I guess, your laptop, and then maybe some pens and magazines, stuff like that. It would have to be flat because once you pack this bag, it's fairly tight, so only something flat would fit in there. Now let's get into the meat of the bag. So it opens like a suitcase, so it's not a top loader, which is nice. And this is what his bag looks like on the inside. And I'll just start pulling stuff out. It also has compression straps on the inside. There's two. Actually didn't snap these. We'll find them when we get to the bottom. This bag just has underwear. And this is those compression cubes from Gonex. You unzip them here, fill them up, and then zip up the compression zipper, and it makes them even more compact. Next, I have an Eagle Creep packing cube, and it has in it his socks. These are his liquids, and then this is the rest of his dry toiletries, toothbrush, dental floss, that kind of stuff. And then he has two packing cubes. This one is shirts. So he has 9 t-shirts in this packing cube. And this is a packing cube from IKEA. I don't believe they sell these anymore. Now they have a white version, and I'm not sure. I haven't gone over there to check, so I don't know what the difference is in the new ones. And then in this packing cube is his jeans. He has 2 pairs of jeans, bathing suit, some lounge pants, that sort of thing. And finally, in this zipper pocket right here, we have our money wallets, a card with our name and address in it in case the bag gets lost, our dirty clothes hamper, pop-up hamper, and then his raincoat. And that is all that is in that bag. Now let's take a look at my bag. I am packed in the Osprey Porter 46. I have more stuff, so I stole the bigger bag. So this bag also has compression straps, which holds these hard-sided flaps in. It has this pocket on the front, which I don't have anything inside, but it'll probably also be a good place for things you need easy access to, your boarding pass, passport, that sort of thing. And then it has another pocket right here, And in this pocket, I have my little case with all my makeup that's not liquid. And then this little case has all of our adapters, plugs. This is our USB charger, 220 volt adapters, that sort of thing. And then inside this part, it also has a padded place for your laptop, a bunch of little slip pockets for pens and notepads and that sort of thing. It's got a lot of good organization on the front. The next pocket is the meat of the bag. All right, so this is what the inside of my bag looks like. This is my liquids bag of toiletries. I have my deodorant in there. I realize it's not a liquid, but that's where it fits. And then this is my bag of non-liquid toiletries. I have 2 of the Go Next compression cubes. In this one, I have all of my camisoles and shapers and that sort of thing. And then in this one, it is bras and underwear in there. Also have a flat iron, a extra pair of shoes, and then I also have 2 packing cubes. This packing cube is one of the IKEA ones, but it is a double-sided one. So I have t-shirts in this side, casual t-shirts, and then on this side I have nicer shirts and a short sleeve sweater. That is also 9 tops. In this cube I have pajamas, my cover up, and my swimsuit. And then on this side I have a sweatshirt and 2 pairs of jeans. I feel like I can fit a lot more inside of our packing cubes by folding my items, and I've made this piece of cardboard that I use to fold our shirts and our pants, and it is the exact dimensions of the packing cube, so it helps me to where I'm taking a maximum amount of space when I pack things. Okay, so on the inside of this bag, it has 2 mesh pockets. In this side, I just have a card that has our name and address on it. And then on this side, I have also a pair of flip-flops and then some Kleenex wipes. And then this bag has one last pocket. It's right here. It's a little hidden, and it has a key fob in it, so you could put your keys and your wallet in here, and probably no one would ever even know there was a pocket there. So that's a really nice feature. All right, so that is everything that is in my suitcase. So that is everything that we have packed for a 10-day cruise. Well, 8 days of the cruise and then 1 day pre-cruise and 1 day post-cruise. So if you want to follow along on our trip, you can follow me on Instagram at Where's To Now Jenny, and I hope you subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.